What is going on, everybody? Brandon Michael Clark here, and today I want to talk to you about 5 different ways that you can use Amazon as top of funnel for your brand. So what does that mean, right? So what's the best way to capture customers from your Amazon sales and get them into your own ecosystem on your own website or retail, however you're doing it? But for this example, and the way I do it is to get them into my Shopify ecosystem. And what I mean by that is get them to give us their information where we can market to them off of Amazon. All right, so we want to use Amazon as that top of funnel. And I like to do that by building up trust. And so you can only have that trust, right, once you provide that enough value for the customer. So it's hard to do when you're just starting out. And so Amazon's that perfect place where you automatically have trust, right? So as long as you have a good product and you have good reviews, and you don't have to have a crazy amount of reviews, but as long as you have a good star rating, meaning 4 stars, 4.5 stars is really ideal, or even better, 5-star product, right, you're going to have that trust immediately. People aren't afraid to spend money on Amazon for just random products, right? They know that if they don't like it, if it don't work, they can get their money back fairly easy, right? They know their credit card information, their personal information, all that stuff is safe on Amazon. So that trust factor you already have built as soon as you launch on Amazon. So what we need to do is get them off of Amazon and get them into our ecosystem so that we can actually garner more sales on our own website, which makes us more money. You know, we can build that customer loyalty out, and then we have a long-term brand and, that we can start focusing on. And we don't have to worry about Amazon. We don't have to worry about anything to do with that. We control everything in our ecosystem. So how can we do that? All right, so there's a couple of different ways we can accomplish this by, and we want to do that with packaging. So one of the first ways is boxes, right? So I sell supplements. I teach people how to sell supplements. That's my big wheelhouse. That's what I like to do. So supplements and boxes they go hand in hand. All right, anything you buy, think about it. When it comes in a box, usually there's all kinds of inserts and paperwork in there. All right, you'll have instructions, you'll have offers, you'll have just random stuff, right? And so boxes are a great way that you can do that, because you can put inserts in here and get people into your ecosystem that way. One of the ways that you can do that is by offering a free gift, right? So maybe it's an ebook, maybe it's a special offer on another product, maybe it's a video series. Right? It could be a lot of different things, but free gifts, people love free stuff, right? So you can put, an insert with the free gift on there. You can actually put a URL on the box or on the bottle itself. Say, hey, claim your free gift at such and such. The same process applies to warranties. People love to ensure that their products are good. So if you got, say, an electronic thing, right? Like a little microphone here. Kind of hard to see with the cord, but a microphone, right? It's an electronic thing. People love to have warranty. Say you do a lifetime warranty on that. All they have to do as a customer is go to your website to register for that warranty. You can claim their email address, their name, their phone number, whatever you want to claim there. And automatically, you're getting these customers off of Amazon, registering for either their free gift or the free warranty, all from your insert that you created. And now you got their contact information that you can remarket to down the road, right? Now you can do something like weekly emails and stuff that your brand sends out. It can go to blog posts, product sales, giveaways. Well, you can start building up that that value and that engagement with that customer. The more you do that, the more they're going to remember you, the more they're going to buy from you. So one of the next ways you can do that, and this is a really cool one, is using stickers, right? So a straight up sticker that you can put on your product. For example, this collagen peptides here, right? Can barely see it. It says love free product. It's your lucky day, right? And then on the inside, visit, this website to get started. You go to that website, enter your information, you get a free gift, right? People are going to look at this. If they're open up a powder every single day, I put this in coffee, collagen peptides, every morning. Really good for joints and all this good stuff, right? Your skin, hair. But, right, every time I open this, I'm going to see this sticker. So it's a great way to get that attention right from the customer and then get them in your ecosystem. All right, so a very, very powerful trick. Another way is putting QR codes on the back, right? Not everybody uses QR codes. I don't even do QR codes myself as a consumer, but a lot of people do. A lot of people use them. So you can put, hey, get your free gift, same thing as a sticker, and just put a QR code right on your product label or on your product's packaging, right? So any of those ways that you really use to dial up your product's packaging and get people from that trust when they buy your product on Amazon into your own ecosystem, you're going to start winning, right? Sales are going to continue to rise. You're going to start building up that value in your brand off of Amazon. And the more you do that, the more people start focusing on your brand versus going to Amazon, right? You can do loyalty programs. You can do subscribe and save on your website if you have that type of product. Like I said, with supplements, we do. So we could easily, do the subscribe and save on there. And we get people coming in because we have cheaper prices. We offer better discounts. And so our subscription numbers just continue to rise, right? So we use Amazon as that top of funnel because they have all that trust. And if you're just starting a new brand or you're a young brand, maybe you're in like the infant, toddler stage of your brand, right? You don't have as much trust. So why influencer marketing is so big, because people trust these influencers and then they go buy, products. So that's what you can do, right? So think about all the different packaging options. Think about the different ways you can spruce up your label, right? Stickers, inserts, QR codes, just even putting a URL with a little, tagline, hey, claim your free gift or get your free warranty, right? Anything to get them to go to your site, give you their information, and get them into your ecosystem, and you're going to win. So let me know if you use any of these tricks. Let me know how they work for you. If you have any questions, also reach out to me. I'd love to help you out with it in any way, shape, or form. Also, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it if you find it of value so other people can find value in it as well. Thank you so much. Have a great day.